If you know the truth of being a business owner, of having a online business. Like, if you started a business and if you check at the end of the year, most people quit their online business because they are looking for a fast results, they are looking for fast stuffs, and they did not get, they just give up. And the truth of a business to succeed in a long-term game is not a quick fix or quick hacks or a rush. It's about creating a long-term game, and it's a lot of stuff. Business is like a whole self-development journey because you learn like so many things, and it requires, have a growth mindset. You have to be always learning. It's not about you have quit your studies, you have quit your school, you graduated, that's all. Business, if you're a business owner, you're learning everything. If you stop learning at that day, you're not growing. You're not growing personally, like physically, personal development, and you're not growing as a business. And grass is always going to look greener on the side, but make sure you focus on your business to creating a long-term success and game, and you're going to thrive.